everyone, I am Aradhya Yadav of class 12 and today we are going to discuss the previous year question of NEET. So our first question is of year 2006 and our question is with which of the following electronic configuration an atom has the lowest ionization enthalpy? And we know that ionization enthalpy is the energy released when we remove an electron from an atom. So we can see that in option number B, the electron is in 3s orbital which is far away from the nucleus, and due to its farness, the force of attraction between the nucleus and the electron is very less, and due to which it is very easy to remove it from the atom. So option B will be the correct option. And our second question is of year 2014. And our question is the formation of an oxide ion from the oxygen atom requires first an exothermic and then endothermic as shown below. We can see the reaction here. The energy is negative, so it means it is exothermic, and here the energy is positive, so therefore it is endothermic. And the question says then, thus the process of formation of O2 minus ion in gas phase is unfavorable even though O2 minus is isoelectronic with the neon. It is due to the fact that we know that the isoelectronic means that the both atom has same number of electrons. So if we give an electron to O minus ion, then there will be the repulsion due to the negative ion between the both. Due to the repulsion, there it will overweight and it will become more stable, and it will also gain the electronic configuration of the noble gas. So let's see the option, and we can see that in option number C, the option C says that the electron repulsion overweight the stability gained by the achieving noble gas configuration. Hence, it is the correct option. Thank you.